the whole night. And maybe if you play it right, you can be my guy. I take you home tonight, stay another day, if that's okay. Tell me, baby.
Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel.
Make you feel so
So today I think this video was going to be another summer diaries or like a lost files, I don't know, but I look a mess right now. But I'm about to wash my tracks because I'm getting my hair done today, so I'm about to do that, and then babysitting today, and my friend is coming over today, and then I'm gonna help her do her hair tomorrow. But yeah, I think this video is gonna run all the way till Friday, because Friday I'm going skating. I should have filmed yesterday because I did go to a Juneteenth thing. But yeah, I'm about to wash my tracks, and yeah, I still look a mess, but let's get dressed. I'm just glad I'm getting my hair braided because I'm tired of putting my hair in a ponytail. But I'm just gonna wear this gray hoodie with these black leggings and then Ramirez. So yeah, with some ankle socks. Look at how I do your polio. My head, I'm just ready to get it done and over with. And it is 2:21. Yeah, I'm about to get you. So I kind of sort of gotta hurry up. I'm gonna find some lip gloss. Okay, man. My scent, about to do this Ariana Grande perfume. I don't know what scent it would go with, so I'm just about to put on this. If it don't go, I don't really care. And ooh, and the dye is still in the back of my hair. I dyed my hair September of last year, and it's still there. I mean, it's growing out, but it's definitely still there. I'll put some of this on. Got some beauty supply store. I'm not about to say the name. Okay. I don't know if it smells the same like that. I don't know. But I gotta hurry up. Let me grab my purse. What's happening? My headphones, charger. I gotta do some homework, so I might bring my iPad. Okay, so Mariah Scientist, Forever 21, Marc Jacobs, Nike, I don't know, Apple. Yeah. It is 10:11. We started like 9.
We started at 9, y'all.
You could spend 10 minutes trying to figure out how to cut through a delicious pineapple spice. Or you could just do this. Outshine. Snacking made easy.
Where are we gonna sit, you guys?
Put them up there again.
Okay.
Hey goats, so
We got a new edition. It's another
that's
journey.
the other journey. So like we're almost done with pre-parting. We just need to do the top. So right now I'm mixing the hair. So that way we could just go straight in the braiding. Feel me? Feel me.
Feel me?
Oh, baby, it's getting tangled. Hold on. See, this is the confusing part. It gets like we're like halfway in my hair. Y'all see how it looks good? It looks good.
Wait, my
We're
iPad
low-key
is upside
icy.
down.
So yeah, we just got done watching His and Hers. Y'all 10 and 10. Y'all have got to watch it. It's like it's changing. I don't know. It's just like I wish I could watch it again. It was so interesting.
And we're literally on the 3rd row.
Yeah.
So that means
And
that's
it's only
7:20.
7:30, and we started at 3, so we moving.
Before that, it was upside down.
Say hi to my vlog, guys.
Take my hand.
Okay.
Come with me.
Hey guys, I'm literally about to wrap up my last piece. It's 8:37, and y'all see I'm wrapping up my braid. I'm done. This is my last braid, y'all. It took trials and tribulations to get here, bro. Mahila's on her last braid, and then we got the braid. Like I know we got the braid, some braids down, but yeah. But other than that, we're done. And then we gotta dip it, and yeah, I don't know about the boho. I don't feel like adding it, and I gotta go home anyway. Y'all, we did it, y'all.
Take out the bun.
Y'all, here we go. Mahela, we iced.
To scare me.
Mahela.
Yes.
Oh, we iced.
All we gotta do is dip it.
And we gotta
and
dip it, and it's gonna be like, we iced. Hold on, Mahela, do you see this?
We gotta take a video.
Mahela, we literally, okay, my middle part, okay, I fixed it, okay. Mahela, we literally iced. OMG. We are the goats, y'all. We are literally goats. We literally goats at this. Like,
We're about to go show my mother.
this is what we was in the room for this whole time.
Okay, Mom, we're done.
Yeah.
Yes. Look.
Oh, y'all did good.
Yes.
Listen to the blonde.
Yeah, it was not.
We gotta redo
It was.
this one.
It was not.
Changed your mind.
Yeah, it was
Yes.
not. It
Let
was,
me see that. Oh, you did perfect. You did a good job.
We.
Oh, both of y'all.
Yes.
yeah. We had to multitask because we was trying to get done.
Okay.
Goat's hair is finally done, y'all. Both our hair is done, y'all.
We gotta make a video.
Both our hair is done now. Like the actual TikTok. Both our hair is done. Okay, look at this one. We definitely need to braid
Yeah, we
this
need
one for you,
to
though.
re-break that.
Okay, y'all. So we have some braids that we need to re-braid. But y'all see the vision. Y'all see it. It's there. We ate, and that's it. That's it. That's all. Okay? Okay, period.
So goat is back and other goat left. But it's 9. Hello. 9:41. And I'm about to be in clean the kitchen. So yeah, I cleaned up my room. Make TikToks. Make sure you follow my TikTok. That's right. Yeah. Hey guys, I just got back home. It is 3:26. And I got me some McDonald's. I got a large Sprite. And then some fries. And then a 10-piece because I'm big. Dance was real exhausting. I mean, it wasn't exhausting, but I'm definitely very sore. Like in my hamstrings, it hurts so bad. But I didn't get to film early this morning because I was kind of rushing. I'm not going to rush tomorrow so I can do the full thing. But I'm about to eat and watch Love Island because I'm behind. Morning, guys. What is today? Today is Wednesday, June 24th. It's 7:47. I'm getting ready to go dance. I took a shower and stuff. So, yeah. And right now, it's just, I don't know. It's kind of like messy. Or it's not messy, but like, I don't even know how to explain it. But all I gotta say is one person is doing too much than the other. Like, it's not that serious. And I'm not talking about Love Island, I'm talking about real life. But like, one person is doing too much than the other. And they're taking it overly way too far. Like, they're acting like that's their boyfriend. And not mine. Like, whole time his screen time's just up. And like, you're putting on your notes and stuff. But I just need to be over with. Like, you're taking it too seriously. It's not that deep. It's really not. But besides that, Love Island, I didn't finish watching the one from last night, but I finished watching Casa More. Yeah. All I gotta say is they did a lot of kissing and dry humping, and it's just, I had to skip over those because it's not cute. And then I need to flat iron like the back of my head and up here maybe, or hot comb. Yes, I'm feeling myself with this up because I paid good money for it, so I gotta put up in a ponytail anyways. I don't like putting it back in a ponytail because it be humpy and bumpy. And I'm actually not gonna be late today. I don't like this ponytail. I have to put it in a claw clip. Just something about a ponytail. Or I'll just put in the claw clip like when I get there. And then when I what am I trying to say? Okay, so I'm gonna keep this claw clip in until it's actually time to dance. And then I put it in a ponytail. Right now I'm not doing that. I'll make this song. I'm about to eat my breakfast and then I'm gonna leave. So this might be the last time y'all see from me today. Actually, yeah. This might be the last time. No, yeah. This will probably be the last time y'all see me today. Because tomorrow I have a busier day. I have summer league for volleyball. So I'm gonna go to that. I use some of these. Yeah. So see y'all tomorrow.
Hi everybody.
KC's 2.0.
Hi everybody.
That's 2.0. Yeah, I'm about to say. No, the trash man's gone. Oh, wait.
It's been gone, y'all.
No, it just disappeared.
Yeah, it's been gone.
I'm finally at least exceptionally fast.
Liberian girl.
We set Journey set there for a little bit. She just got on World 2.
I can go on World 2 now. That's not bad.
He's going slow.
So what you want to do? Are you going to keep her? Are you going to keep her? Soon as pushing us now.
He's trying to get wins. You up?
Ugh.
What did I tell you about that? No!
Not a payphone. Help me.
Hey guys, it's me. I don't know if I want to make this like a separate video or add this onto this video, but today is June 27th. It is 5:15. I just spent my whole day doing nothing. I cleaned the kitchen earlier today. I finished watching Love Islands. I did a little bit of homework, but like other than that, I've been sitting here doing nothing. My room looks a mess. I was babysitting last night, and let's just say it was a rough night babysitting. She was up all night. But I need to just get my life together for real. I made a to-do list, but let's just say the to-do list did not go as planned. I only got 2 things done, which was clean the kitchen and clean the living room. But I haven't made a whole to-do list and didn't even finish doing it. Like, this is my whole list. I was supposed to fold laundry, wash my bed sheets, clean the bathroom, clean my room, and do my CVP homework. Does it look like I cleaned my room or folded my laundry? No. You should see my vanity. It's not cutting. So, yeah. I'm just gonna be productive. I'm gonna clean. I don't know if I should make this a separate video or just add it onto my summer diaries. Because I don't know. Like, so far my summer diaries is not really giving summer diaries. I don't know if I should take this video all the way to the 4th of July. Which that's probably what it's going to be. Because I don't really have plans until the 4th and the 2nd. So, yeah, it might run all the way till the 4th. That's how this video is going to go. So, yeah. I'm just about to clean up. And yeah, what is that one thing called? One day like do the one thing, and it's just like a whole bunch of clips of you doing your thing. A montage. I'm just about to put a montage of me doing my stuff and cleaning my room, being productive, and yeah. So I'll see y'all when I see y'all, which is probably gonna be July 2nd. It could be tomorrow. It could be next month, but you know, I come and go when I want. So peace out.
Because it's simply what I said is. Once it out the vacuum seal, you can smell the shit in Fayetteville. Blackjack while no Jacksonville, I don't even know what year it is. He didn't got his taco, now his ground beef on the steering wheel. Coaching now my niggas ballin', you can't peep with players. They so full of dope, they probably don't even know what it is. I rock the middleman, he probably don't even know who it is. Judging on my prize, I told Big 5 this ain't no fire drill. Ballin' like the Final Four, got more devils than Duke in them. Ain't no me much in no shoulder shrug and see them shoot at them. Niggas took down one my guy, so I want at least 2 of them. So a lot of niggas to play both sides, that's why coach it through with them. 7-6-2 shoot at him, don't play with wild pool with him. 413, we ripped in murders, guy just actually Google them. Don't talk to me about your arms unless you came from shooting at them. I'm clutching my bone stock in the drop top, we pumping who is him. Pop a perk now, geek up. Guess this how them niggas feel. Had my nigga with a new chopper, this work on your third kill. Before we pull our circle, the block, see how far my serve is. 6K for a plane to walk if you want your serve with the seal. Show, keep that Draco in my lap, screen TTP, we try to blow. The Cartier here with the Cuban link, had to switch out the rope. 900 shots up in it, bitch, if you play, we gon' do the most. 2 baby chops hit in my coat, bitch, I'm having power like gold. AK with the machete, so it gon' open up your belly, but no, you did not catch the.
Hello, everybody. Honestly, I don't even know where. This is HBCU send off, but my mom wants me to go to. I have no choice but to go, so I'm about to get ready to go there. But it's June 28th. 123. I'm about to re-straighten my hair, or like my leave out. I don't even know what I'm about to wear. Like, I just like, I have to go. Like, I really don't want to go. I'm tired. But I don't have a choice. Like, I feel like I should have a choice. But I don't. But yeah. I'm just getting ready for that. And then that's it. Yeah, I actually have stuff to do next week. Like, I'm actually excited. My friend's birthday. There's too many birthdays in July, if I'm being honest. There's a whole bunch of birthday parties, birthday dinners, so that's gonna all be added into one video. But July 5th, going to Kings Island, which I haven't been all summer. So I'm excited. But yeah. My desk is already dirty and I just cleaned it yesterday. Okay, let's stop kissing me.
Around me acting gangsta, I ain't buying it. He tries to run off, I dump the Draco where it's fine it. 762 God, I got that name because I'm fine it. Real we live for life, post on the block, this where I'm dying it. If I shoot my gun, 300 shots don't come behind it. And if I ever ran, the police probably would behind me. In the corner, jumping fences, hitting them gates, and now we lit. You can't do a show up in the city, bitch, this my shit. I'm sliding with 30, told him 50, sent 3 shots and spot, I caught her trying to leave her hurt. I put a cap up on my head, no, I can't never go out burn. See my shooters, then went down for some, cause all he do is turn. My name spread like the coronavirus, I stay in the earth. Kick the bitch up out the spot, I caught her.
Okay, so OOTD. This is from Polo. This is from Target. TJ Maxx, her Geiger. TJ Maxx. Ooh. Nike, Timberland. Apple Watch. So I will see y'all when I'm there, either when I'm there or like another day. We're at, what is it called? Dunbar. The right Dunbar food truck route. It's really hot and it's really humid. There's a whole bunch of food though. See, that's drill team. You should let me do drill team. We got our food. We went in 5 different lines. Yeah, I'm about to go get myself another lemonade. So I just got back from the food truck rally thing, and I think I'm gonna end this video, and I'll just like make like another video for like the 4th of July and stuff. So yeah, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, I wanna win show today.